Hello ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Blue Computing. Today, I'm going to show you how to make connectivity in between a multifunction printer and a computer. In the previous video, I showed you how to add user on a multifunction printer. Please watch it. By this process, you can make connectivity by any type of multifunction printer with a computer. To make the connectivity, go to Windows Search and write Add a printer or scanner. After clicking, you will see the list of the printers that is connected on the network. You can add your printer from here by clicking Add a printer or scanner. By clicking Add device, the printer will install automatically. But, there are some technical limitations. Adding multifunction printer from here, you will not find all the options that need to make connectivity. So, I am opening a browser and search for my printer driver. I am going to the link and downloading it. After downloading, install the printer driver. Now go to Control Panel and click on Devices and Printers. You will see the list of pointers of your organization. Now right-click on your multifunction printer icon and go to Printer Properties. Now click on Device Settings. Later click on Settings. Here you add your username. On the previous video, I showed you how to create a user. I created a user named Taylor. Now I insert the name Taylor as a username. Later I input the password. Now click OK to continue. After that, go to another settings. Click on the checkbox about Allow PIN settings. Now give users department ID and password. Later, click Verify. The printer will show a confirmation that it connected successfully. After finishing all the things, click Apply and OK to continue. The printer has been connected with the computer successfully. Now I am going to check. I am writing something on a MS Word document. Now I am going to select the printer to print the document. Let go to the printer panel to check the printer received the printing command or not. Hi, I am in the front of the printer panel. I am logging in as Taylor by the password. I am pressing on the print icon. You can see that the document is here, and I am going to print these document. The document has been printed successfully. On the next video, I will show you how to set up a scanner on multifunction printer and make connectivity with the computer. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching the full video.